Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to talk to you about what happens when large files are zipped. Now when you take a file and you zip it up, basically you're running it through a process called compression. And what that's doing is that's going to search your entire file for patterns that happen multiple times within the file. So instead of having those patterns appear multiple times within the file, they're only going to save this large pattern once and then keep track of where it appears. That way you can take, instead of there being a whole bunch of copies of the same values over and over and over, you're basically getting a copy of the values once and then keeping track of where they appear in the document. So that greatly cuts down on your file size. I'm going to show you an example of this by going to the computer. I have a file here called myfile.txt. If I open it up, as you can see, I've basically just taken ASDF, the letters A, S, D, and F, and pasted them over and over and over again. So that's going to be the pattern, basically, that our compression scheme is going to be looking for. I'm going to close that. Now, if I go to the properties of this file, you can see that it's 16 megabytes. That's 16 megabytes of ASDF appearing just over and over and over again. So I'm going to compress this by right-clicking on it and going to Send To, and I'm going to click on Compressed Folder. Now that has just created a zip file on my desktop called myfile.zip. If I go to the properties of this file, as you can see, it's gone from being 16 megabytes now to 16.3 kilobytes, which is a huge reduction in size. You can see here that's 16 million bytes there, almost 17, and then this one is just 16,000. So that's a huge amount of disk space that was saved, basically by pulling that pattern out and repeating it. My name's Dave Andrews, and I've just talked to you about what happens when large files are zipped.